Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we break down the official syllabus for Cisco Implementing Cisco IP Telephony and Video Part 2, CIPTV2, so you know exactly what to study and how to prioritize your time. This exam covers 5 domains with clear weightings to guide your focus. VC's Control and VC's Expressway is 27%, Collaboration Edge is 24%, Cisco Unified Communications Manager is 22%, TelePresence Conductor and TelePresence Server is 15%, and Cisco TelePresence Management Suite is 12%. Each domain lists difficulty, estimated learning hours, and assessment style so you can plan hands-on practice and conceptual review. VC's Control and VC's Expressway is 27% of the exam and focuses on configuration and call control using Cisco VC's components for internal and external communications. Expect medium difficulty and about 30 hours of study with hands-on and conceptual assessment. You will learn VC's Control and Expressway architecture and implement registration for H323 and SIP endpoints, configure subzones and zones, and set up authentication for both local and remote endpoints. The syllabus also covers bandwidth management, configuring VC's pipes and link restrictions, plus dial plan tasks such as transform rules, alias manipulation, search rules, DNS SRV lookups, SIP and H323 interworking, neighbor zones, and troubleshooting call routing failures. Collaboration Edge accounts for 24% and is focused on traversal communications and remote access via the Expressway series. This domain is rated hard with around 35 hours and scenario-based assessments, so expect realistic configuration and troubleshooting scenarios. You will implement mobile and remote access using Expressway C&E, configure discovery with DNS SRV, and enable SIP and HTTP traversal so remote devices can register and connect reliably while learning how to troubleshoot Jabber login and connectivity. The domain also covers business-to-business communications using traversal zones, ICE, stun and turn protocols, URI dialing for external entities, fallback mechanisms for traversal failures, and federated call flows for B2B video routing. Cisco Unified Communications Manager represents 22% and centers on multi-site features and globalized call routing in CUCM environments. This medium difficulty domain requires about 25 hours and combines conceptual and scenario-based assessment methods. You will implement multi-site dial plans with overlapping extensions, configure globalized routing using E164 formatting, enable URI and directory dialing, and design local route groups and translation patterns. The syllabus also includes global dial plan replication and SAF forwarders, dynamic number learning, intercluster lookup service for call discovery, PSTN backup strategies, and call admission control with RSVP planning. TelePresence Conductor and TelePresence Server make up 15% of the exam and focus on building and managing multi-point video conferencing infrastructure. This medium difficulty area takes roughly 20 hours and mixes hands-on work with conceptual knowledge. Expect to describe conductor architecture, configure conference bridges and bridge pools, and manage rendezvous and ad hoc conferences while integrating conductor with CUCM and VCs. You will also deploy TelePresence Server on virtual platforms, enable multi-way conferencing, tune screen layouts and cascade conferences for scalability, implement high availability for conferencing resources, and troubleshoot media negotiation and video quality issues. Cisco TelePresence Management Suite is 12% and covers centralized management, scheduling, and governance for collaboration assets with an easy difficulty rating and about 15 hours of study. The assessment is conceptual and scenario-based and emphasizes endpoint management and registration, gateway and trunk monitoring, and administrative roles and permissions. You will implement security certificates and HTTPS management, configure workspace and phone book management, use Smart Scheduler and Outlook integration for reservations, run software upgrades and configuration templates, and plan for redundancy, database maintenance, and notification policies. Use the provided weights and estimated hours to build a study plan that emphasizes VCs and Collaboration Edge while allocating solid lab time for CUCM and conferencing. Prioritize hands-on practice for registration, traversal and conferencing scenarios, and practice troubleshooting call flows and media issues. Good luck! and study with real configurations and labs to turn concepts into exam-ready skills.